You are a .NET developer and today your code is going to production. Everyone is very excited. You have worked really hard on this feature. All the business users are excited because they will get something new. The DevOps team is working on the deployment and they are clicking on that deploy button. But you are somewhere sitting on your chair in a corner and you are praying to God. Hey God, please save me today. Don't let anything break. I promise that next time I will write the better code. Once the deployment is done and sanity is successful, then you will feel relaxed. But if something goes wrong and some of the code is not working, what will happen? You have tested that code several times before the deployment. You did so many manual testing. But what will happen if something is still breaking? Now the only way to fix that problem is you have to work overnight or you have to work on the weekends to fix all these problems and deploy again. During this fixing of the problem, you found that the problem is not yours. This problem was done by your team member. He was working on one of the existing method and he did some changes over there, and because of that, your code is not working now. We all have been in this situation so many times. This is the only feeling developers have when they are deploying their code. But we can avoid this feeling. How? We have to write the best unit test cases for our application. And unit test case is something that will give you the confidence that the application will work really well. We have tested, we have covered all the scenarios. Hi, my name is Nitish and I am a Microsoft MEP. I have written thousands of unit test cases in so many applications, and in this entire course I will be teaching you how to write the best unit test cases in ASP.NET Core using the xUnit framework. I will be using the latest concepts, latest technologies, and we will do everything from scratch. If you want to avoid that awkward feeling during the deployment and you want to go home peacefully, please learn the unit test cases and please join me in this course. After watching this entire course, you can improve your unit test cases, you will get the confidence, and you can sleep peacefully after the deployment. I hope you will join me in this course.